Hi everyone, I'm Yuna. Today we are making one of the cutest and yummiest traditional snacks, Tanghulu. It's crispy, sweet, and super fun and easy to make. I'm using tomatoes, but feel free to use strawberries, grapes, blueberries, or whatever fruit you like. Next, some white sugar, water, and long sticks. Let's wash the fruits first. Now we are going to string the fruits together. Now, let's make the sugar coating. Just heat the sugar and water together. Once you turn on the heat, don't stir it, or it might not work properly. Wait until it bubbles and turns a little golden. Then quickly dip the fruits in and place them aside to cool. I usually cook it for about 20 minutes. If you are not sure when it's ready, you can keep a cup of ice water nearby. Then pick a few fruits just for testing, and then dip them in the syrup. Quickly put them into the ice water to cool down and test them. If they turn out crunchy, then the rest of the fruits are ready to go into the syrup too. It's done! Look at that shine! It's super crispy outside and juicy inside. Alright, that's how you make Tanghulu. Now, let's dive into a bit of its history. About 1,000 years ago in ancient China, the queen got sick and nothing seemed to help, until a royal doctor had an idea. He put hawthorn berries on a stick and coated them in sugar. She ate a few every day, and miraculously, she got better. So yeah, Tanghulu started as royal medicine, and somehow became a street snack. So hey, next time you're feeling sick, maybe give Tanghulu a try. Who knows? Okay, that's it for today's video. If you like traditional snacks or want to learn more about Taiwanese culture, leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!